Hello, welcome to my channel. This is another YouTube video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a very simple way, very simple way that you can create a multi-camera sequence and edit your videos like you are live or you are doing a live production. I've seen a lot of videos or YouTube tutorials, bits complicated, long stuff. This is very simple, straight to the point. So without talking much, let's go straight to the point. First, let's just open our Adobe Premiere. I have some few things already there, but let's just forget about that. This is our project, okay? So we have our sound here, and then we have our one video here. So let's just create a new sequence from this. Okay, so we have this, and then let's import other videos here. So we have, so let's say we are doing 3 cameras. Okay, so let's just drop in all our 3 cameras here. Okay, now we have our camera here. So now we are trying to sync 3 cameras with a sound and do a live mix or multi-camera editing. Okay, so the first thing we have to do now we've imported our video, let's try and synchronize this sound. Okay, so one very simple way you can synchronize sound in Adobe Premiere Pro is what I'm going to show you. What you do now is just drop your sound just under the video, select all, right click, and then just go down. Where is this? Okay, so there's it. So we have synchronized. Okay, now we have synchronized. So we can do it from clip start, clip end, time code. That is if you know the times that the sound and the video was recorded at. But just to be safe, you can just do it from audio and then choose track. So we want track 1 so that it will sync with the audio track 1. Okay, so what we do is, sorry, the video track 1. Okay, so what we do is you just click OK, and then you see processing, blah 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 blah. This will just take some few minutes, and Adobe Premiere is doing everything for you. So simple. Boom. Okay, so a video is synced. So let's just clear this side off. Even though it's not a really good practice, but that is what I do. So I'm just showing you what I normally do. So let's just shift this here a bit, and then let's see if okay, so I didn't really name my footages, so I'm finding it difficult to see, but it's not a big deal. I know what I'm doing. But if you are not a pro, or if not been doing this for a very long time, it's very advisable to rename all your footages or all your clips so that you can find them easily when you are working. Okay, so this is camera 2. Okay, I've been having this issue with this cam. Okay, so I just drop it here on top of it. Okay, okay, so this one is here. Okay, so you have the second video here. So what you do simply is just click on the second video, hold the shift key, and then click on the audio track. Okay, then now you right click on it, and then you synchronize again. So what you are doing is you are synchronizing the second camera also to the audio and not the first video, but you are synchronizing it to the audio because the audio is the main reference point. So we are waiting for that one to be done. It should be done in 3, 2, 1. Waiting. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Go. Boom. Okay, so you see, it is there. So just for tutorial purposes, so I'm just cutting the videos to the exact portion of the audios. Okay, so that we have a clean timeline or sequence. Okay, then we bring in our third camera. Don't worry about how I'm doing my importing because I have an issue with my software, so sometimes that's what I do, but don't worry. Okay, so our third video is in. Also do the same thing, click on it, shift, hold. Okay, right click, synchronize, audio track one. Okay, and then let's go. So in multi-camera editing, this is like the difficult part of the whole thing, or the boring part, as you can put it. Okay, so it's going. This one is moving pretty well. Okay, so we're still waiting. It's doing its work, looking for the audio positions, and then boom. Okay, it's there. So we can cut it to its logical conclusion. Okay, so basically now our videos are synced with our audio. So you can now bring it back to the exact editing point. Okay, so now what we can do is let's mute the other tracks. Okay, and then now that I've done this, let's just do this. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so we've muted all the three tracks and make sure that our main audio track is on the first track. It's on the first audio track. Always make sure your main audio or your clean audio is on the first track. Okay, so now that you are there, okay, let's just play maybe from the middle somewhere and see. Okay, let's just play. Okay, so basically that is the video. The sound is synchronized well. Okay, so basically when you do this, you are like, you are done. Okay, so let's now do the multi-camera editing. Okay, so we created a sequence, which is this. You can name this main or whatever you want to call it. So simple. This is what you do. Just right click on this main. Okay, just right click on it, go to new item. No, sorry. Right click on it and do new sequence from clip. Okay, so voila, and you see this is the difference, and you can change this to main mix. Okay, or whatever name you want to call it. I don't want to limit anyone. Okay, so this, look at this sequence. You see that your footage is all squeezed into one footage, which is looking green. And then when you come to your other sequence or timeline where you have all the other videos and sound, they are blue, and then you see audio waves here, and this is your mixed. Okay, now somebody is asking, why am I not seeing all the other cameras? We are getting there. Okay, so we now activate the multi-camera. So you right click, go to multi-camera, and then go to enable. Okay, so now that you have your multi-camera enabled, just go up here to your editing or your project main window. You see a small icon here. You toggle the multi-camera view shift. Okay. Sorry. you toggle the multi-camera view. Okay, so you can just click on it and your multi-camera is here. Okay. Okay, I think I did something here. Sorry, I muted the okay. So okay, now you have your multi-camera here. Now, if you don't see this icon, you can just go to this button here, the plus button, and then you scroll down or just go through it. You see it there, which is here. Okay, and then when you click on it, you go to OK, and then it will be added to the whatever name you want to call it. Okay, to be added here. So when you click on it, you toggle between that and the full view of a particularly selected image. Okay. So when I click on, let's say for instance, two. Sorry. Okay. So I can just do this, and then, for instance, if I play this video, it's playing. Once you click on it, you see the video has changed. Okay, or the box around the video has changed and it's red. You see, when I stop it, it goes to yellow. So you play. Once you see the red, it means it's recording, and you can just be changing. Just click on it, click, and choose your video, and then that's your multi-camera. And it's good for those who are doing church work. You can easily use some of this. You can even use this for music videos, etc. Blah blah blah. Okay. I don't know if I've left anything out on this multi-camera editing, but if you are watching and you think I've left something out, just let me know in the comment section, and then I will reply you or do another video specifically to explain what you want to know. But I hope you understand. Okay, so basically just subscribe to my channel, and then let me know if there is anything else that I can do for you or help you know about Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, ciao.